This is the S&P 500 one-day reading for July 26, 2023. It's currently June 2nd, 2023, 2:43 p.m. Eastern Time, and the shuffle file for the July 26 reading was created on May 8th, 2023 at 1:11 p.m. Eastern Time. That's this video right here. So the overall theme and behavior for the day, we have a nullified pleasure card. So erratic behavior back and forth through the same price level. In the midst of that erratic behavior, usually revisit a crest that was recently a past opportunity. It's nullified, however, so it's a little tricky how to read that. We'll look into it more clearly as we progress through this prediction. Behavior around the highest high, we have a decline off of the highest high, taking us down to revisit a support level we recently met once before. Usually it's a support level we met once before in the same reading. And then behavior around the lowest low, we have three crisscrosses back and forth through the same price level, the third cross to the upside, confirming a bullish trend. Advice to trade around a sideways fluctuating rally that precedes a decline. And volume overall for the day, it's hard to determine based on this card. It's probably pretty mixed. In the pre-market, we open lower and there's a decline through multiple support levels, taking us into sideways rotation into the open. And then in the open, there's a big move to the upside and we end up bumping along resistance out of the open, successfully turning resistance into new support there in the first hour and a half, probably closer to like the 10 to 11 o'clock hour. There's a notable reversal between 11 and 12 and a trough there that marks a significant trade opportunity. Let's say 11:45, it takes place at a trough, and then there's multiple failed attempts to break through key resistance between 12 and 1. That's an important moment there because it's cross-reading congruency with the sneak preview card from the following day. So multiple failed attempts to break through key resistance, a trade opportunity at key resistance, and then a decline through multiple support levels there between roughly 1 and 2 o'clock, followed by a rally. There's a pretty big whipsaw here. There's a rally between 2 and 3, especially towards the closer to the 2 o'clock part of that hour. A rally that offers opportunity to open up a short position, and then it's followed by a decline, probably starting mid 2 to 3 o'clock hour. The decline probably continues into the last hour, and then out of that, there's a fast sudden move higher, marking the end of a decline. We see a low around the close. So you go from like this opportunity to open up a short position to an opportunity to close that short position right around the close at this ace of discs. Sneak preview for the following day, we open higher, probably not like notably higher, but probably slightly higher. Matter of fact, I think we probably open lower, and this ace of discs, the low correlation carries over until the following day where we see a low here. Yeah, it looks like if we either open higher and fall pretty fast, or we open lower, because there's an ace of wands here, so we might open higher and then fall pretty fast. But in any case, that's the S&P 500 for July 26, 2023. Let me know what you think by hitting that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, and most importantly, my friends, make sure to follow that rule of karma here on our resources tab. 5% of the profit should be donated forward to a charity. 5% of the profit should be donated back to the channel. And spend that money out of love. The universe will send it back to you tenfold through this channel for being an angel investor, my friends. I'll see you guys on the next one.